Possible danger for north-central Texas until further notice. The following message is transmitted by the order of the Texas State Police. The hostage situation located at Rockwall City Hall has escalated. A 10-kiloton nuclear weapon in possession by the suspect has been discovered by local authorities. This is an extremely dangerous situation for residents located within 70 miles of the city of Rockwall. Due to strong northwesterly winds, radioactive fallout would reach Rockwall to McKinney to as far as Gainesville if the nuclear weapon detonates. A voluntary evacuation has been issued. If you feel you should evacuate, evacuate now. Updates will follow as the situation worsens.